We guide you through how to stop Gemini from opening when you hold the power button on your Samsung phone. So, you can bring back the normal power off menu. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, select Side K. This is where Samsung controls what happens when you press or hold the power button. Under the Press and Hold section, you'll see that it's currently set to Wake Gemini or Open Gemini. Change this option to Power Off menu, which restores the original long press function. After switching it, hold your power button again and you should now see the regular power off, restart, and emergency menu instead of Gemini opening. If Gemini still pops up somewhere else, go back to Settings, search for Digital Assistant app or Default Assistant, and set it to none so it won't trigger by accident. Once you just adjust these settings, your Samsung power button works normally again without Gemini launching every time you press and hold it.